Nike Air Max Plus Nightwing brings a bold yet refined energy to the tuned Air lineup. Inspired by the legendary Nightwing from DC Comics, this release is not an official collaboration, but the influence is unmistakable. A breathable black mesh upper fades smoothly into electric blue through the midfoot, creating a striking gradient that nods to the hero's iconic suit. Glossy black DPU overlays form the signature wavy cage, delivering structure, stability, and the unmistakable Air Max Plus attitude. A blacked-out mudguard reinforces high-wear areas while keeping the silhouette sharp and balanced. Underfoot, a cushioned foam midsole houses blue-tinted tuned air units for responsive impact protection and everyday comfort. The rubber outsole ensures dependable traction on pavement. A subtle yellow heel badge completes the look with a focused pop of contrast. Expected summer 2026, the Nightwing Colorway continues the Air Max Plus legacy with confident storytelling and wearable performance.